What's up, YouTube? Another day, another video.
Okay.
I've got my guest here, Xander, man, 11, the wild Fortnite playing, Pokemon knowing, wow, man himself. He's gonna help me do a little unboxing today. You stoked?
Mm-hmm.
High five, baby. All right. Hand me them figures today.
How many?
One at a time.
Okay.
Today, we're going to be doing Series, keep handing them to me, Series 2 of Masters of
That one looks pretty
the
doofy.
WWE Universe. Did you just say Macho Man looks goofy?
No, because how his legs are.
Let's get it.
I take it back.
I take it back. Okay, now take these back. We're going to do them one at a time here. One at a time. All right.
One at a time.
Okay.
Throw him out of here. Get out of there.
Okay, all right. It's his first YouTube video. The boy loves YouTube. Always wanted to be on the YouTube. Now he's on the YouTube.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so first one we're going to be opening up. What is that called?
Faker John Cena.
Yes. The evil robot of Skull King. Of the Skull King. So, this is not the real John Cena.
You are not real!
Alright, so we're going to open this up. We're going to be very careful. Alright. Kind of open that up for me, if you will there, good sir. Just kind of be careful. No, we got to be careful with the card. Careful with the card. Open it up. Rest away. There it is. What do we got in here? The comic. It comes with the comic book. Let me see that comic book. You get the guy out for me.
Okay.
We got
5 hours later.
the Faker John Cena. 5 hours later. Faker John Cena. You ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Superstar powers.
Wait, show the pictures too.
Superstar powers. Can do a somewhat convincing John Cena impersonation. Foreign objects, mace, and malice. So what we're saying here is, this ain't the real John Cena, because we can see him. You can see him, I can see him, because if that was the real John Cena, we couldn't see him, right?
You can't see me!
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Okay, you need help with that?
Mm-hmm.
Those are childproof, and I can't even open them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know, right? The really cool thing about this figure is he's like translucent. You can see through him. He's got the cool armor on, which you can take off like normal Masters of the Universe figures. Let me get that. Let me help you out there,
Okay.
Slick Rick. The boy doesn't have enough strength.
Pretty
Like so.
bloody.
Pretty bloody, he says. Bloody brilliant, maybe. Alright. And this is like Dr. Thugonomics.
It's like a tranquilizer.
He's got the, I don't know if you can see that or not, the word life knuckle things. Amazing. He's got the chain with the padlock, and he's got the armband, and it comes with the crazy mace.
And it looks like a tranquilizer that will poison you.
Anyway,
Oh.
on to the next figure. That's Faker John Cena. What do we got next, Xander?
We got Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns. Heroic big dog. Look at that right there. That's a good figure right there, alright? I'm going to start it out for you.
Nope.
And here's his comic. Him bashing the evil Skull King of Kings.
Garbage.
Evil Skull King of Kings. Roman Reigns. Height is 6'3", weight 265. Superstar powers. Most powerful punch in the universe. Draws strength from the energy of the yard. Foreign objects. Gauntlet of glory and shield of justice. Hello! Alright. There's the Roman Reigns figure. The lighting's not the greatest tonight, and I
Ooh,
apologize.
got it. I got a good grip.
Looks like the big dog. Ooh-ah! Alright, what do we got here?
That's a...
His shield. Okay, so that actually, yep, that goes on that fist right there. Like that. And then
What
that's
a
his shield.
cheetah.
His shield.
Haven't
Oh, I
we
see.
seen this guy cheat before, get angry at the monster? Or the monster that made angry at him.
What are you even?
The monster! Get angry at him. Or was that a different wrestler?
What monster are you talking about?
That wrestler. The one that...
Oh, Braun Strowman?
Yes.
This kid. Yes, he has fought Braun Strowman. So here he is with his gauntlet and
Are they
shield.
arch nemesis?
No, they're not arch nemesis. Okay. There's the Reigns himself. Okay, who's this?
Macho Man. Randy Savage. Master
of Macho Madness.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yes. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Macho Man. One of the greatest wrestlers of all time. R.I.P. baby. Let's get this bad boy started.
I'm about to pass out myself.
Well. Alright.
Here's the comic.
Here's the comic. Alright. There we go. Beautiful. Macho Man, superstar powers, overpowering intensity, cat-like reflexes, conjurer of Macho Madness. Foreign objects, macho mace and bandana helmet. Ooh, yeah! And I love it because in this picture, I don't know if you can see it, he is holding a little cream cup.
And he can... Oh, what are these? Sunglasses?
Oh my goodness.
Broken sunglasses.
Let me see this. It looks like, if you see here in his shirt thing there, you can replace what the glasses look like. So you got kind of broken ones and really broken ones for armor action sequences. Where do these suckers go? Okay, yeah, they go on his legs. So he's got these like little shield things that go on his legs. Well, we're putting all these accessories on. That's crazy. This is awesome. Sit down, you crazy maniac. Last one.
Rey Mysterio.
Rey Mysterio. Mysterio. The heroic high flyer. My goodness. Sorry. I love Rey Mysterio. And I'm so happy they put him in this series of figures because he's a superhero. There's just no doubt about it. Rey Mysterio is a superhero.
In real life.
In real life. He's the high-flying 619 and crazy man on the ropes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he's Alright, here's his comic book. You know what I'm saying? It looks like he just like does a little flying. He's got the bird wings. Rey Mysterio, heroic high flyer, superstar powers, flight and super speed, can fool enemies into underestimating him. Foreign objects, lucha wing pack, and mask of mystery. Rey Mysterio, one of the greatest wrestlers of all time.
Wow. He sure does put stuff in his. He sure did put this stuff in his bag. Hard to open. He made it hard to open this.
It looks like these wings right here, they go on his wrists.
And these go...
I think those go on his arms. Those are armbands, which we won't put on right now. We'll just try to get these.
We'll just put them here.
Take his hands off.
Guys.
So, I'm not sure how these wing things go on. I'll try to figure it out.
But that will be later, and we'll show you in the next video, right? Maybe.
He's taking over, apparently. We'll get a picture of it. But here's the Rey Mysterio. He's got the wings. He's got the armbands. He's got these like rocket things on his back. Rad figure. Alright. That is Series 2 of the Masters of the WWE Universe. The heroes and the villains of WWE Eternia. We've got more series coming, I hope, and when we do, we'll get them. We'll take them out of the box. We'll pose them. We'll make them look beautiful. Right?
Yes!
All right. Well, I'm Big John. This is Xander Man 11. And when it's another day, it's going to be another video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Yeah.
Yeah.